everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Isibaya from the 15th to the 28th of February 2021 on Monday. Seeing Mandla's distress, Bongani makes a bold move. Fearing Femelus's life, Fezile leads a daring rescue mission. Mandla convinced Dwedle to leave Dabula to him on Tuesday. Begomozi reveals to Dabula who his attacker was. Caesar tried to get the truth out of her father once and for all. Londiwe continues playing her dangerous game of matchmaker on Wednesday. Kapela learns a shocking truth about the attack on the Ndlovus. Gadla suspects the Zungus are focusing on the wrong target. Dabula has an offer for Blade on Thursday. Gadla reveals to Sbu who attacked the Ndlovu and gives him an ultimatum. Londiwe confronts Kapela with the truth. Sikhe tried to find Dabula, but Kapela refuses to help her on Friday. Lillian makes things clear to Mbomvu about their relationship. Mickey confesses to a shocking truth. Lillian lies to Saddam about her whereabouts. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.